Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering the essentials: menu, supplier lists, recipe yields, and last 30 days of sales. Import or paste that CSV into a new Google Sheet. Create 5 tabs named Inventory, Sales, Menu, Suppliers, and Daily POS Export. Once done, standardize headers: item, SKU, QTY, unit, cost, price, reorder, notes, so formulas align. Make sure to set data validation for units and SKUs to avoid typos, because consistent inputs save you hours when applying formulas and filters later. Next, build the operational logic. Use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to pull recipe costs into menu from inventory. Apply array formula to compute running inventory and sales totals automatically. Insert SUMIFs for daily and weekly sales. That gives you fast revenue snapshots. Set conditional formatting to highlight low stock and price mismatches. Use checkboxes or drop-downs for status. Then, create a simple script or use the built-in import range to pull daily POS exports into sales and subtract quantity. To finish, build a dashboard tab with charts and key metrics: daily sales, COGS percentage, top 5 sellers, and active stock alerts. Use pivot tables for quick summaries. Protect critical ranges and set sheet-level permissions so staff can edit only input areas. Enable version history and schedule daily CSV exports or automated backups to Drive. If things go wrong, check formula ranges and broken references first, then confirm import range permissions. These 2 fixes resolve most sync and calculation issues, keeping your restaurant data reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.